great to be here. I'm Matt Groff of Qualcomm. The result of the smartphone revolution has produced an incredible capability for makers. Computing power, these have quad-core, even octa-core, 64-bit, gigahertz processors. It's literally the same as what a supercomputer was in the 80s and 90s. Mobile's changing everything. It's the largest platform in history for technology. There's billions of devices, and for example, last year in 2014, about 30% of the installed base was replaced. So it has a very rapid replacement cycle, a lot of innovation, very rapid improvements. Now, some of these things you've seen universities and research for a couple years, but now we're really getting to the point where you can put that in a very low cost little device that the makers can use to do stuff. Okay, now the thing I'm really excited to tell you about today is our new DragonBoard 410c, and I just happen to have one here. I'm going to just hold it real quickly so you can get a sense for how small it is. It's smaller than a playing card. So first of all, it's a Snapdragon quad-core, 64-bit. It's got a lot of features on it. It's capable of doing, very high-performance processing, graphics processing. It's got GPS. It's got Wi-Fi. So you can see the antennas right here for the GPS and the Wi-Fi. There's a HDMI connector and USB, and it's got onboard 8 gig of flash. It's very fast. So you can run your OS and your file system at very high performance. You can run Android. It's got Adreno GPU. You can't do this with a lot of boards. It's a very, very powerful graphics processor. You can run games. You can develop games. You can also use that GPU for advanced applications. This board is a commercial reference design. So if you are a hobbyist, you're going to love this board because of the performance it offers. The maker innovation is part of the design circle, more and more and more. A lot of startups are just a few people. A lot of the investment are in smaller companies that are building and trying different things. And with these platforms, you can achieve unbelievable results with a small team. So that's really important to us. That's why Qualcomm is here, and that's why we want to reach out and enable makers to do even more amazing things.